John Bead has just launched a new bead called the Cylin Bead. It's a cylindrical bead unlike anything you've ever seen or used before. It's made with advanced technology and refined manufacturing. They are smooth, consistent, and have the most brilliant colors. On and off of the loom, Cylin Beads deliver clean rolls and precise spacing. And if you put hours and hours into your work like I do, you want your beads to be consistent in size and color, and these crystal seed beads deliver in every aspect. Here's the kicker. Not only are there beautiful colors and brilliant metallics, they have glow-in-the-dark Cylin beads as well, all made with the same precision. To test them out, I'm making a tried and true safety pin choker just to see how they line up and to see how intensely they glow. One of the things I love about a safety pin choker is that it looks like an Egyptian collar, and it's a terrific conversation starter when people realize what it is. I'm using black safety pins, but the silver and gold pins would look wonderful too. Watch how easily they slip onto the pin. I thought this was going to take forever, but once I started filling each pin, it went pretty quickly. You'll need to fill about 100 pins for this particular choker. Once you start putting them on your cord, you realize how consistent the size of each bead is. This is so important if you loom or do peyote beading. Measurements are crucial. I am loving how they glow in the dark. I realized after I put together my first choker that using a cord that is just a bit smaller than the hole on the end of the safety pin lends to how beautifully the row of beaded pins lie against your neck. This is a 3mm cord, and it works beautifully with these particular pins. To keep the beads on the cord, I'm going to add a beautiful donut bead from one of my check glass bead boxes and then tie a knot to keep everything in place. Make sure to check out the new Cylin beads from John Bead. I'll leave a link in the description. Anything and everything you need for your beading projects, John Bead has it. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.